Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to talk about the ClickFunnels 44% discount offer. So if you are the ClickFunnels user and you already use the ClickFunnels for your business or your use the services of ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is providing a special service in this month where you have a discount for 44%. The 44% discount provided by ClickFunnels. So you get all those services from ClickFunnels, and you also get ClickFunnels personal support and personal support team. So what you all get from ClickFunnels? So you get ClickFunnels 6-month platinum account. So what is the platinum? So platinum is the in platinum account you will pay for $297 per month, but you get this in this well for free for 6 months, and you pay this amount 997. You get $297 worth of account in the for 6 months in the funnel hacking secret. So and the value total value is the 1782. So in the platinum account, you don't need to pay extra for the other services like email marketing and the other services, and you build your all the funnel entire funnel within the 10 minutes, and you get all those support from the personal one-to-one support from ClickFunnels uh, personal account community. So the next bonus is the funnel hacking secret masterclass. So the this is the masterclass where you learn about the all the best funnels. You have get all the information about the funnels. There is the funnel hacking secrets about lead funnels, unboxing funnel, presentation funnels, phone funnels. You get all those coaching access from in this, and the worth of this coaching is this, and you get for the 6 month access of this coaching if you get funnel hacking secret now, get access. The third bonus, you will get a traffic secret. Traffic is the thing that is important. If you have a funnel but you don't have any traffic, so there is no sense. So traffic is the main important, and you get all the traffic that Russell Brunson personally use for, and he get traffic for his funnel. He share all those course. He share this course with you, and the worth of this course is 1997. You learn solo ads, how media buying secrets, Facebook traffic secret, SEO secrets, social media secrets, affiliate secrets. All those you get in this special discount price. Then you will get daily virtual hackathon. So daily virtual hackathon is the event or the call that will happen on daily basis, and you get in this you get your built funnel. One hackathon session, you have to watch and follow along, and experts build all the sorts of different funnel step by steps like. So your lead funnel, book funnels, cart funnels, all those virtual hackathon funnels will in this virtual hackathon funnel you will learn all those about the funnels and the things. The final is the huge unlimited bonuses. So huge unlimited bonus is the inside click funnels. In the normally you will get 70 funnels or 20 funnels, but you get unlimited funnels if you purchase this offer right now, means in this month. So unlimited funnels, then you get unlimited contacts. There is no foundation about the contacts and all. Then you get unlimited traffic. uh, you on your funnel there is you thousands of monthly visitors, thousands or more unlimited monthly visitors you will access if you get this in this month. The total value of the bonuses by is 11,552, but you will get access in the $997. So this is the insane amount of value by Russell Brunson, and the best uh, value provided by Russell Brunson, best of the best value provided by Russell Brunson. And if you don't know about the anything, then you also get a free masterclass by Russell Brunson. So first you get a free masterclass, then you visit this page. So the masterclass is the for person who are in the entrepreneurship, in the small business owner, online marketer, marketing agencies. Is this web class is the all about the for all those people. And the best part of this web class, you learn so much golden nuggets from Russell Brunson. So there is you learn about the funnel hacking, how he hacked the funnels for his business in dietitian plan. You all learn about the funnel cloning, how to then clone their proven funnel inside the ClickFunnels in the less than 10 minutes. Then you learn about the number one traffic hack. The in this video, in this web class, traffic he shares an awesome traffic secrets. So you definitely join this web class. It's a free. So and all those things are you get access if you take this he this discounted price of the ClickFunnels special offer in this month. And you also get some special bonuses from me. You also get some special bonuses from my side, and my one-to-one help. I am also help you one-to-one basis. So this is the thing that you all get the free masterclass and the funnel hacking secret bundles, funnel hacking bundles, platinum special bonus, onboarding calls. So onboarding call is the thing that personal you get personal account coach or personal supporter that will help you in your funnels. So this is the thing that let's see all the bonus again. And the ClickFunnels 6 month platinum plan, platinum accounts, then funnel hacking secret masterclass, then the third is the traffic secret course, and fourth is daily virtual hackathon, fifth is huge unlimited bonuses. So if you are in the ClickFunnels and use ClickFunnels for yourself or your small business owner, online marketer, so this is the best chance to get your special offer. It's for only limited time. You get onboarding calls from team of Russell Brunson. So there is insane amount of value. So if you want to join this, let me know. I will share the link with you. My special and I also share my special bonuses with you. So if you want to join, so share, let me know. And also, if you are watching it on YouTube, so please subscribe to my channel. So that is it for today. And if you want to join, so let me know.